Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Adda. So those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel to get the more important updates and information and regarding competitive exams of civil engineering. So in this video, I am going to tell about the very important points for all competitive exams of civil engineering. Coming to the chain topic. So chains. So in this video, I'm going to tell about the chains. So what are the various types of chains will be there, and for which type of chain, how many links will be provided? Because these types of questions we have even seen in the previous competitive exams of civil engineering. So I would like to tell about the all chains and how many links are provided, how many links are there for that particular type of chains. So before that, a chain is made up of galvanized mild steel links. So the chains are made up of galvanized mild steel links, and length of chain is measured from the outside of one handle to the outside of other handle. So it is measured from length of chain is measured from the outside of one handle to outside of other handle. So we'll see the different types of chains. So metric chain, Gunter's chain, revenue chain, engineer's chain, steel bands, so these are different types of chains. So we might have come across with this different types of chains and how many links are provided. So these types of questions are asked in the competitive exams, right? So for metric chains, so metric chains will be available in 20 meters chain and 30 meters chain. So for 20 meters chain, 100 links are there. For 20 meter, 100 links. For 30 meters, 150 links. And whereas Gunter chains, which is also known as surveyor's chains, 100 links or 66 feet. And for revenue chain, it is 16 links and 33 feet. And engineer's chain length, 100 links, 100 feet. Steel bands, so these are made up of blue steel, and 20 meters or 30 meters. And each link is 20 centimeter. So this is accurate then chain, the steel bands. So these are the various types of chains and these are the links. So how many links? So like metric chains, 100 links, 20 for 20 meters and 150 links for 30 meters. Gunter chain 66 feet and it will be having 100 links. And revenue chain 16 links 33 feet. And engineers chain 100 links and 100 feet. And steel bands 20 meter or 30 meters. And each link is 20 centimeter. So thank you for watching my video till the end, and I am going to come up with very interesting topics for all the competitive exams of civil engineering, and also the various problematic part of the reinforced concrete structure and remaining subjects also. So please do subscribe to my channel to get all the updates and hit the bell icon. So thank you.